In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create abstract art in OpenArt. We'll go from the home page to a finished set of abstract images, and I'll share simple tips along the way so you get results you love. Start on the OpenArt homepage. Move your cursor over the section dedicated to images. This reveals quick options related to image generation. Click Create Image to open the Creation workspace. At the top of the workspace, choose the model you want to use. Click Switch to Browse Options, then open the Art category to narrow the list to styles built for illustration and creative looks. Pick any model or character that matches the vibe you are aiming for. For instance, a watercolor-focused model can produce soft edges, flowing textures, and blended pigments that feel painterly. You can always switch models later if you want a different aesthetic. Next, type your prompt in the text field. A clear prompt gives the model strong direction. As an example, you could write intense abstract art, chaotic composition, fragmented forms, bold colors. Feel free to expand with a few extra descriptors like mood, technique, or material, but keep it concise so the core idea stays focused. Before generating, adjust the aspect ratio. Think about where you'll use the image. Square works well for avatars and feeds. Portrait is great for posters, and widescreen fits desktops and banners. Pick what best suits your final display. Now choose the size. Any size will work, but if you plan to print, the Art Print preset is a solid choice because it emphasizes higher resolutions suitable for physical pieces. Just remember that larger sizes may take longer to render. Set how many images you want to generate in one go. Multiple outputs give you variety to compare. If you're experimenting, a small batch helps you iterate quickly, while larger batches can uncover surprising variations. Keep in mind that more images can use more time or credits. When everything looks good, click Create. The system will begin generating, and you'll see a progress indicator. Wait a moment while your images render. Once finished, your abstract artworks will appear in the gallery area, ready for you to review and pick your favorites. That's the entire process. Choose a model, craft a focused prompt, set aspect ratio and size, decide how many images you want, then create and wait for the results. Enjoy exploring different models and prompts to discover styles that match your creative vision.